In today's lecture, we are going to see full subtractor. Now, in the last lecture, we have seen what do you mean by half adder, subtractor, full adder. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to see full subtractor. Full subtractor means what? It is the combinational circuit which having three inputs and two outputs. So here is the block diagram for full subtractor which shows three inputs A, B, C and two outputs, that is difference and borrow. Just like as sum and carry generated by addition. So for difference here, difference D and borrow B is created over here. So what is this subtractor? It is the combinational circuit which having three inputs and two outputs. Now three inputs, number of possibilities are 0 0 0. Inputs are either 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0, like this 1 1. So 3-bit inputs are there, so 8 possibilities are there. Now here we have to generate truth table from these three inputs. Now outputs is formed in the form of difference D by formula A minus B minus C. So these are the three inputs. So we have to do the binary subtraction from 0 minus 0 minus 0 like this. So whatever the answer here generated, that answer will be here, and borrow is generated. So borrow is generated in only one case, that is 0 minus 1. So whenever 0 minus 1 answer is there, so difference is 1 and borrow is also 1. So this is the one case only. In such a case, borrow is generated. So either it will be same as a mathematics. So 0 minus 0 minus 0, answer is 0. 0 minus 0, answer is 0. Again 0 minus 1. So that's why answer is 1 with 1 borrow. 0 minus 1, answer is 1 with 1 borrow. And again minus 0 means as it is. So 1 with 1 borrow. 0 minus 1, 1 with 1 borrow. And again minus 1. Again minus 1 means 1. Answer is 0 with borrow 1. Consider this case 0 minus 1, first two subtraction, that is 0 minus 1 mean answer is 1 and borrow is 1. Answer is 1 and borrow is 1. Again minus 1, again minus 1 means answer is 0. 1 minus 1, answer is 0 and borrow is as it is. So answer is 0 and borrow is 1. So here answer is 0 and borrow is 1, like this. Again 1 minus 0, like as it is, and like this. So in this way we have generated the truth table in the form of difference D and borrow B. Now from this, draw the K-map for both, that is difference and borrow. So all of you familiar with the K-map. From K-map you can generate. So individual groups are created. So equation will be created like this: D is equal to A B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C plus A B C. By solving this equation we are getting A XOR B XOR C. So 3 input XOR gate is required here. For borrow B, K-map will be realized and three additions are there, and this K-map realization is A bar C plus A bar B plus BC, like this. Means on AND gate and OR gate is required for the addition. So from this D is equal to A XOR B XOR C, and from this B is equal to A bar C plus A bar B plus BC, we can draw the logic diagram. So what are the different gates we required according to that? So we have two equation, that is A XOR B XOR C and this borrow equation. For XOR gate is used for A XOR B XOR C. For A bar not gate is used and A bar is created. So whenever A bar is necessary, we can take this A bar and AND gate will provide the multiplication of these two inputs, A bar B, A bar C and BC, and finally borrow will be the addition of this output of AND gate. So A bar B plus A bar C plus BC. So this is the complete logic diagram for the full subtractor. Now question will become for 4 marks. What do you mean by full subtractor? So in full subtractor you have to draw the logic diagram, then you have to draw the block diagram, then truth table, then K-map realization, then expression, and finally logic diagram. So these are the important points of key points of full subtractor: block diagram, truth table, K-map realization, and lastly logic diagram. So for 4 marks, the question will be asked: draw and design the full subtractor. So student may able to understand full subtractor, how to draw the block diagram, how to generate the truth table, how to generate the logic expression, and how to realize the logic diagram. So logic diagram is the diagram which whenever you can design the logic diagram, you can apply three inputs A, B, C, and at the output D and B directly you can get the addition, subtraction of these three variables A, B, and C.